G. Garcia, and I am 23 years of age. I am Filipina by heart, by blood, but I am living in Italy. I am your Miss International Queen PH Italy, and I am your newly crowned Miss P-World 2025 first runner-up. Before I